Now, when it comes to your accounting system to manage your ins and out, like I am no accountant, I'm going to explain to you the accounting system I use. I'm really going to point you in the direction of finding your own accounting, or you could use our accountant, Condata Group, that does all of our bookkeeping each and every month, file our corporate taxes and everything like that. We use QuickBooks for construction, the desktop version. And the reason why we use QuickBooks for construction is for two reasons. One is for job costing. Job costing will give me an idea of how much money I'm spending on a job site. I send guys out, allocate a certain amount of hours. I get to understand exactly how many hours is on a particular job. If they run a Home Depot to buy material, I get to understand all of the material, all of the hours, everything on that particular job. And the way you do that is when you reconcile your QuickBooks, you select that material, apply it to that job. And every time you do that each and every month until the completion, you can run a report to see if you're over or under. That will give you a better idea of how to actually bid jobs that similar size. So that's the reason why we use QuickBooks Construction for desktop. And the second reason is for retained earnings. We get a job for $100,000. We don't get all of that money up front. So we have to bill them out in progress payments. So we will have to create an estimate and then bill them out percentage wise or a particular amount. So that way we can create the invoice for that percentage or that particular amount and then bill the client. So that's why we use QuickBooks for construction. Always going to recommend that you find an accountant to help you find the best accounting software for you. Definitely, we work with Condata Group. They're located in New York City, right downtown in the Wall Street district. So you can find them. This is their website, condatagroup.com. You can find them downtown. Here's their number. You can call and ask for Narendra, and you can tell them Anthony from Security Securities have referred you. All right. If you don't want to use them, you don't have to use them, but you will have to find an accountant so that way you can understand how to manage your income and expenses. Someone needs to teach you this, and you need to learn from somebody who actually do this every day. But I'm going to point you in a direction, but I will have video training and tutorials on how I operate QuickBooks, creating invoices, estimates, and things like that. I will show you how to use QuickBooks, but I'm always going to point you in the direction of a person who does better than me all the time. So find yourself an accountant, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.